We read the comments, we saw your emails, and in this episode of Mighty Car Mods, we've got a professional driver down here to thrash Yaris Hilton.
Welcome to another episode of Mighty Car Mods. Racetracks are very divisive. They separate the people from the other people. They separate the slow cars from the fast cars.
It's probably our driving that is divisive, isn't it?
Our driving is divisive.
A lot of people wanted to know who was going to be faster on the track out of Marty and myself. So, of course, we brought Yaris Hilton down here to try. We both got 1 minute and 12 seconds. But unfortunately, old Yaris had some stinking rubber, didn't she?
Exactly right. So I had the original tyres it came with. Don't even know what they were, but they were very much drive to the shops tyres. We've fixed that now.
That's right. So we've now got some Bridgestone RE003 tyres on there. Other than that, we've given it a service and the car is completely stock factory. The cheapest Yaris we could buy on car sales. 1 minute, 12 seconds is the time to beat. I'm going to do a lap, Marty's going to do a lap, and then we've got a special guest professional race car driver down here who's going to thrash the pants off us, basically. But I'm going to go first anyway, so this is it.
Why are you going first?
Yeah, because that's what we always do.
You're just exciting, you just want to drive it first.
Yaris Hilton tractor. I'm not even rock, paper, scissorsing it because I'm going first.
Dude, you need your helmet and everything.
Dude, I got my long sleeve. I got my helmet. I'm ready to go.
So, you knew this was going to happen.
Yaris Hilton track battle. Let's get chopped. So here I am in Yaris Hilton. I'm about to hit my time. Then Marty's going to do his before a professional takes over. The car is exactly as it was, except we've got different tyres. So we'll see how it goes. I'm a little bit nervous, actually.
You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Yes!
All right. Let's go, Yaris Hilton. I'm redlining you every single gear. I'm just wringing the pants off it. All right, hard around this corner. Oh, it feels amazing. So much better with those tires. It actually is going around the corner without understeering like I was gonna say like a cockroach, but I'm not aware if a cockroach actually does understeer. I've got my leg jammed down near the door there to hold me in. I'm redlining second gear, lost a little bit around there. Along the straight up the top, I got about 95 last time. Now I'm at 96, 99, 101, 105, 112 up the top corner here. Hard on the brakes. Down through the corkscrew at the bottom. Down into second. Hard around the corner. Tires are screeching now. Around the back here. Just screeching the whole way around that corner. Redlining second gear, just thrashing the pants off it. And over the line, there it is. Whoa. Yaris Hilton, all you needed was some tyres. That was feeling good. It's feeling good. I feel like that was a good time. I actually have no idea. Martin's looking pretty excited over here. Looking pretty stoked. What difference did the tyres make?
You shaved off
107.8. Yeah,
that's massive.
That's just tyres, man.
Dude.
It's just tyres.
Dude, that's huge.
It's your turn, Martin.
Awesome, let's do it.
Are you ready to get amongst it?
Yeah.
I'll get it ready for you, man.
107.8 is the time to beat, so now it's time for Marty to get behind the wheel and give it his best shot.
Martin, I'm pretty excited, mate. I'm pretty excited to see what she does.
I want to get a 107. That was a good time.
Thank you, mate. Are you ready to go?
Which is about right for Yaris Hilton. There's always a good time.
Always, man. It's always a good time. All right, here we go. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, a little bit boggy. Rip it out hard, here we go. It's all about momentum in a little nugget like this. Just keep momentum. Basically just gonna hold it flat through this first corner. Keep as much momentum as I can. I'm gonna brake a little bit for this corner because it's too tight just to go flat stick. Slow in, reasonably fast out. I say reasonably. A little bit of brakes on here just to transfer the weight over to that front tyre. I'm gonna get on the power out of this corner. Yep, here we go. Oh, a lot of wheel spin there. Third gear for this fast bit up the back. It's hanging on beautifully with those tyres. I really don't like the top of this track. It's pretty scary, especially in a fast car, let alone a slow one like this. Here we go. Down through the twisty ones. I'm gonna get on the brakes a little bit here. Upset. Oh, I upset it. I'm on the ripple strips. I'm just modulating the power. That was all power, understeer power I know. Power understeer. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, Yaris Hilton. Third gear. Come on, come on. He's making good noises. He's making good noises, yes. It's really fun. It's one of the funnest cars to drive on this track. It really is. I cannot, just a little underpowered car with really good rubber. It's just awesome.
You smashed your old time.
Uh-oh.
No, 1:08.45.
So 1 second, within a second.
Again,
That's consistent, man.
that is consistent. You're right.
How fun is it to drive now?
It's so fun, Martin. Hold on. Can you see all those comments, Martin? I don't want to see you driving. I want a real race car driver.
I want a race car driver.
We can't see what that car's going to do if it doesn't have a real race car
Needs
driver.
a race car
You
driver.
got the wrong line on
Turn
turn
6.
7, Martin. Turn 7, you got the wrong line. If I was driving the Yaris, I would have pushed it way harder on the last corner, mate. You weren't even close to the wall, mate.
How good would it be if we actually had a real race car driver?
Like a professional one.
Oh, full legit, like Australian national level.
Like a dude who's like recognised worldwide.
As
Imagine
being
that.
Exceptionally proficient.
That's
and
right.
has fast lap times all over
Like a
Australia.
dude who wins races.
Yeah.
Like that kind of
Who
thing.
does races. Because we don't.
Who's this guy, Martin?
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Chaz Monster, a professional Australian racing car driver for Super Cheap Auto who competes in the Australia Supercar Championship. And the dude knows how to drive. As a previous winner of the Bathurst 1000, he's capable of some blistering lap times, but he's never been behind the wheel of a legit Toyota supercar like Yaris Hilton.
Chazzy.
Hey mate,
How are you,
going?
man?
You good? What's happening?
Awesome to see you. Everybody, we have Chaz Monster, supercar racing legend with Super Cheap Auto. Thank you for coming down today.
No worries. Yeah, I watched your guys' last clip, and you know what? It's any opportunity to drive this Yaris, I'll take it. My industry is probably a little bit like your industry. There's always harsh critics out there, and always someone that think they can do it better before they've actually even tried to do it better. So
isn't he kind?
I was watching your guys' lines. I was actually learning a thing or two out there
Stop
myself.
it. Stop it. Now you've gone off the script that we don't have. Anyway, so the basic plan is today, we've set a couple of lap times. We've got a 107, a 108. Let's average it at a 107.5. And now we're hoping that you can jump in and see what a professional does. I mean, it'll be unfortunate if you don't go as fast as us, because Marty and I will be Super Cheap Auto's new racing team, of course.
100%.
But do you want to do a lap first with me? We'll just jump in, do a little lap.
Yep.
So then you get to know the track, and then you can just dive into it.
Yeah, sounds good, but do you mind if I take this off? Like, I don't mean to pick on the Yaris, but I think it needs every weight advantage it can get. So if I can get
Seriously,
bits of race
have you
suit.
got something else underneath it?
With the pleasantries out of the way, Chaz is going to do one slow lap to familiarise himself with the track, and then it's game on.
It feels fast. It's very fast. It's Yaris power. It's a track weapon. It's probably going to be a hard adjustment for you, actually, driving something with this Japanese performance cred, you know?
Mate, it feels pretty fast already, to be honest. So I feel like I can get up on the wheel on this thing, and you know, like you were saying, this tight technical track, I reckon, will suit this car.
Yeah, it's perfect. Well, probably some of the most fun I've ever had has been on this track in this car. And I mean, you just even doing your practice now appear to be doing some kind of racing line that I haven't done yet. Because there are a lot of YouTube comments saying that Marty and I didn't take the right line.
Oh, I'm still trying to work out the right lines myself. So I don't know. It's more about, there's not really a right or wrong line in racing. It's more about, you know, letting the car flow. And definitely when you've got, say, a more lower horsepower type car, it's important to be smooth with your inputs and, you know, let the car flow. So
Yeah.
but you need to use all the road as well. So when you're half a car width too narrow, you're not optimizing the track and the performance either.
Right. So it's possible that I didn't optimize the performance when I was doing my laps, because your tyres are aiming for the red and whites each time, and mine weren't quite making it.
Yeah, generally. So like in supercar land, we'd be up all over those curbs trying to get involved with them and load the tyre differently to build grip. But probably in a road car like this, you'd just probably lose more time by using them. So watching your guys lap earlier, it was I thought you did a pretty good job.
Do you want to do another lap?
Oh no, I'll leave it at
done?
one. I'll leave it at one. Now, then it's kind of fair play. It's fair play.
Okay.
I saw you guys do a lap, and now I've done a lap.
Supercheap actually called me and said they've already written you guys a contract to sign.
Right.
Depending how this laps go, so we'll see what happens.
Can you give me a quick run through what goes through your mind before you embark on like a legit race?
I guess there's just all the basics of, you kind of know what lines you got to do. It's like back to basics when you race go-karting, out wide, in tight, out wide, and then just try to be smooth. But then sometimes it all depends what the car's handling like. Sometimes you need to be rough for enough input to put the car where you want to, so.
Have fun, be safe. See you, man. So it's 3, 2, 1, go. It's very technical.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? And 3, 2, 1, go! Yes! Whoa, he's hard off the line, isn't he?
Smooth.
Yes! 106.41, Chaz Monster. He had the Yaris record, everybody. He had the Yaris record at this track.
Not bad. There you go, a professional racing driver is faster than us.
Can you believe it?
What?
I can't believe it. I've got some groundbreaking news. A professional racing car driver is faster than us.
Can you believe it?
My mind is blown. You've got yourself a 106.41. Amazing.
Unbelievable. I know who to call if I'm sick on a weekend. You guys are in. I don't think there's much left in it, so I think you'd go again, you'd probably overdrive it and go slower. So
yeah, okay.
Yeah, I was pretty tapped.
Well, everybody, there it is. Chaz Monster, Yaris Hilton record, 106.41. Man, thank you very much.
No worries, boys.
It was very, very cool to have you here.
It was awesome.
What are you doing today? Are you going back to your Honda life now? Or are you going straight to the car yard?
Well, you just inspired me by driving the Yaris quick, so I'm going to go home and probably, take the Honda down to the fish and chip shop.
We should give it to him. I'm not even joking.
The Yaris?
Yeah.
He needs a Yaris race car, right?
Do you need a Yaris? We should give him we should give it to you.
I'll never say no to a free Yaris.
I mean, maybe we should. I mean, all you've got to do is give us your Honda Civic. I mean,
Awesome.
Not today, not today.
No, man, it's yours. Off you go. See you later, it's yours.
Oh.
See you, man, enjoy it.
Cheers, boys.
Just go.
Cheers, So there it is. We replaced the tyres with Bridgestone RE003s and wiped 5 seconds off our lap time, which is an improvement of around 7%. And we also found out that a professional race car driver can drive faster than us. And then we gave away our car. All in all, a pretty good day out. Want to see more supercar action? Then check out the episode where we race Chaz in his supercar with our modified street cars and Mighty Car Mods project cars.